All right, guys, so when you're inspecting a roof, it's important to look at the pipe boots. In this climate, the South Carolina, especially Charleston climate, it's very hot. Like right now, you can see I'm sweating. It's 120 degree feel like outside right now. It's really like 100 degrees. But on a roof, it's even hotter because you got asphalt shingles attracting the heat and the sun. This is an old school. Guys still use them. It blows my mind. Guys still use them. It's just lack of care, lack of truly wanting to serve the customer. And these are cheap. As you can see, they're plastic pipe boots. I can just pull it apart. It's super easy. It's flimsy. You can see it bending. They're terrible. But guys still put them on roofs to save money, to be cost effective, and they never review the options with homeowners. Right here, the reason these aren't good is because this roof has been on this house for 15 years. This has been cracked a long time. Where's water running? This pipe goes between a wall in the house, between the framing where there's insulation. Water is going to run straight in there and just soak in the framing and the insulation. Anywhere, especially this climate with how much humidity there is and the heat, the moisture, water's going to run down there, get trapped, and lead to mold in the house. Again, it blows my mind why guys do not go above and beyond to review the other pipe boot options with homeowners that are a lot better and will last a lifetime. These are cheap. They're going to last 10 to 12 years on average. Again, this roof has been on for 15 years, and you can see how bad it is. It's just plastic. It's pulling apart. The reason I'm pulling this apart is because we're actually doing the roof replacement, so it's fine right now. But you can see it's just neoprene, plastic, rubber. This is rubber, this is plastic. This rubber right here is just dilapidating because of the sun. So the sun is cooking it. Rubber and sun do not mix. The sun is going to dry this rubber out. The expansion and contraction of the temperature swings is going to cause movement, and then it leads to this cracking all around the boot. When this cracks, water is going to run straight into the pipe, into the house, and lead to mold and mildew between the walls that homeowners will never know, and they're living in a house with mold and mildew. You can look up what mold and mildew lead to, but it's super important to make sure you have a watertight system. Pipe boots, it's a penetration point coming out of the roof. I do not understand why guys do not go above and beyond to put the right pipe boots on the pipe that are actually going to last a lifetime and serve the homeowner. These are the old school IPS pipe boots. Plastic, rubber, cheap rubber, neoprene sleeve that can easily tear. As you can see, I'm tearing it. And it's just a terrible option as a pipe boot. So if you're a customer and you're getting estimates on a roof replacement, make sure the company reviews the different pipe boot options with you. If they're not reviewing the pipe boot options with you, they're putting these cheap ones on your roof, and in 10 to 12 years, you're gonna have water between the framing on your house. You're never gonna know there's mold. They don't have a leak. The homeowners don't see a leak in their house, but water is 100% leaking down that pipe and sitting between framing and the walls of their house.